In this lecture, I am going to tell you how we can render element conditionally with the help of ng switch case in Angular. In the previous lecture, I discussed about ng if directive, and inside this postlist.component.html file, I render list of posts with the help of ng for directive. And if I check our postlist.component.ts file, here we have this post array, and each of our posts has a key called category. Now I'm going to add a switch case inside this postlist.component.html file. So I'm going to add a container here, ng container, and I'm going to add the switch case here. So let's add ng switch, and then switch, yeah, ng switch, and then I'm going to add post.category, and then I'm going to add span, and this span will be displayed whenever the category will be technology. So let's add switch case here, ng switch case is equal to, so let's provide the category name here, technology. Okay, so this span will be shown whenever the category will be technology. Okay, so let's display the category inside this span tag. Also I'm going to add a inline style here, because if we add style here, this will be visible to us. So let's add a color called blue, and then let's add another switch case, ng switch case is equal to science, and for the science let's change the background color to green, and there should be a default case, so let's add one default case. So for the default, this will be, let's say, black. Okay, so this will be ng switch default. Now let's check our URL. You see, for the technology the color is blue, and for the science category the color is green, and for the default, okay, this is, I think we need to change the color here, so let's make it black. Yeah, now this should work. Yeah, so this is how we can use ng switch case in Angular. Okay, in the next lecture I'm going to add bootstrap in our project, so you will learn how we can add bootstrap in Angular. So stay connected.